Apologies for all the wind. Wait, come here, Chevy. Apologies for all the wind. It's super windy. So this is the typical environment for which we designed XagBag. You can see it's near some homes. It's near some homes. This is not for the, not very likely, although they may like it, for the intrepid deep backwoodsman who's back there for months at a time. I don't know if it's the right tool for them, but for people who like to hike with their dogs close to home, where there's oftentimes not sufficient enough density of predators to be able to significantly threaten your average sized dog, such as mine. Here's Chevy, up so you can see. Come on, up. So this is about how big mine is. Sit. Probably seen her wander around some of my videos. So this is Chevy. She's, how old are you, honey? She's 15 in dog years, I think, about that. Very active and very loving dog, far more loving than active. But she likes to get out and run around. I have to be very careful because she's so friendly. I have to be careful that a coyote doesn't entice her to go off and play and then get ransacked by the rest of the coyote's family. So I have to kind of keep her nearby. If she was sufficiently smaller, that would be easy, because it would be a very lightweight little leash that I could just put a little rock over. If she was a lot heavier, it wouldn't be as stressful for me, because she'd be able to perhaps be trained in a different way, where dogs that big have to be more obedient. A dog that's medium sized, they can be somewhat obedient and somewhat not. When you have a very large dog, obviously they have to be very, very obedient and also very loving to people, because some obedient dogs don't necessarily love people. Okay, but for a dog like about Chevy size, which is an average sized dog, I have to put the XagBags down for her leash. So I fill it up with rocks, and I'll show you how that's done later.